In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Teams for either work or school purposes. Microsoft Teams is an essential tool for collaboration, and getting it set up on your device is quick and straightforward. Let's dive in and make sure you're ready to connect with your colleagues or classmates. First, you'll need to visit the official Microsoft Teams website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Microsoft Teams URL. Once there, you'll find a wide range of options tailor-made for different needs. Whether you're using Teams for personal connections or detailed enterprise meetings, Microsoft has tailored packages that fit various situations. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the top of the screen and you'll see a menu labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. This will reveal a list of options. Choose the one that best matches your requirements, whether it's for personal use, small and medium businesses, or educational institutions. Selecting the right category will ensure you download the appropriate version of Teams. Now that you've chosen your preferred category, the next step is to click on the Download button. This will begin the process of transferring the installer file to your computer. The file usually is named something like Teams Windows x64.exe, and it's best to note where your browser saves this file, usually within your Downloads folder. Once the download has completed, navigate to the location where the file was saved. Double-click on the executable file to start installing Teams on your computer. During this step, you might be prompted by your operating system to confirm you want the installer to make changes to your device. In this case, simply click Yes. This is a routine step and should pose no issues. With that confirmation, the installation process will commence. The installer will handle everything, so feel free to sit back and let it do its work. This might take a few moments, depending on your system's performance. Once installation completes, Microsoft Teams will automatically launch. You'll be greeted with a sign-in screen. Here, enter your work or school account credentials. Often, this will be an email address and a password provided by your organization or educational institution. Logging in successfully means you're all set to explore Teams features and join in conversations or meetings right away. And there you have it, Microsoft Teams is now at your fingertips. You're officially equipped and ready to collaborate and communicate effectively with your peers or classmates. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you encounter any issues during installation or have questions about using Teams, feel free to share your concerns in the comments section. Thanks for watching and enjoy your seamless communication with Microsoft Teams.